Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will going to show you the best screen recorder for PC. Before continuing, subscribe my channel and like the video. As you guys can see, I am using Bandicam screen recorder. This is the best screen recorder that ever lived. For downloading this screen recorder, search Bandicam in Google Chrome and click in first result. Please download this software from his original website. Don't download this software from other third-party websites. This is the download interface. Here click Download Bandicam 2024. After clicking to the download option, download will be start soon. I already downloaded the Bandicam, so I'm not going to install it. As you guys know how to install a software, so I'm not going to waste your time. I will show you some good features that this software give you. You can manage all the setting here. This software has too many options, and all are free. I'm using paid version of this software. In free version and watermark appear on bottom of the screen, so if you need to remove watermark, you need to buy the serial key for this software. Now, I will show you some of the cool features, and please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also like and share this video with your friends and relatives. As you can see, you can add arrows on the screen for indicating a special area, and you can draw on the screen, and also you can type on the screen. I will show you all these things. Your all screen recordings and games recordings are saved in the Documents or Bandicam folder. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Help me to reach 1000 subs. Take care, bye bye. I will see you in the next video.